Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. Today the GIFT Nifty was indicating lower, but the markets did not open lower. It was flat for most part of the day. The people who have taken 24,000 short straddle, they made fantastic profit. As of yesterday, I think the premium was about 130, 140. That has come down to 10 to 15 rupees. And the whole day, the Nifty was trying to close above 24,000. But unfortunately, the bad result from Hindustan Unilever, so Hindustan Unilever has fallen by 7%. That has dragged the Nifty by almost 25 points. On top of which, I don't know what happened. Today, ICICI Bank has hugely underperformed, and that has shaved off another 25 points in Nifty. So this 50 point, contributed on the downside only by these two stocks. Otherwise, Nifty would have closed about 24,000. Number one, on April 8, the ceasefire news between US and Iran came. That day, Nifty shot up. That day, Nifty closed around 24,000. That is on April 8. Then end of April expiry, it was below 24,000. May expiry, below 24,000. June expiry, below 24,000. July expiry, at least we were hoping that, Nifty will close about 24,000. In fact, in the beginning of the month, there was a very, very positive picture, and Nifty moved around more than 500 points in first 5 trading session. Then again came July 8, and Trump said no ceasefire with Iran. So April 8 and then July 8. Both days we cannot forget. And after July 8, on July 8, Nifty fell 500 points, big red candle. After that, until the end of the series, only one day Nifty closed above that July 8 candle. Only one day it closed below that candle. But otherwise, it was inside candle until the end of the series. So, nothing more to talk because, once again, the same thing only. 23,800 is a support and then 24,300 is a resistance. So this 500 point range, the market has been trading for a very, very long time. So once again, the same thing, broader range for the month of August will be 23,000 on the downside and 25,000 on the upside. Volatility index is crashing. The premiums are very, very small. And then I don't think that, they're expecting more than 3% move by the end of August. So anyway, one expiry is over. So there's nothing much to talk because the open interest, this and that, everything will be start building from tomorrow. So we will discuss more from tomorrow. But meanwhile, the Larsen and Toubro result has come. I think the result is okay, not bad. And particularly the IT stocks, which I mentioned in the pre-market, the IT stocks are likely to outperform because, in US market, IT stocks did very well. Infosys, in fact, was 500% higher. But here, TCS has done better than the Infosys today. And now, TCS has almost shot up 20% from the recent low. So this is how the stocks behave when the market, it recovers from the extremely oversold levels. From 4,500, it has come to 2,000. From 2,000 to 2,400. So IT stocks are recovering. Bank stocks are just consolidating. So once again, there is no big hope for the month of August because in July series, historically, it has given an average of 3% return. But this time, it has not even given I think maybe 0.5% up. I think the Nifty is up about 125, 130 point higher on a month-on-month basis. So let us see what's going to happen tomorrow. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.